This technology integration tip focuses on how to embed a Google Calendar in a post in your blog or an additional page in your blog. You might consider adding a page to your blog that has your homework calendar for a particular class or classes, or you might post a parent volunteer calendar that parents can then click on the comment section and sign up for a particular time that they want to come into your class, or even a class activities calendar. In order to do that, you first want to click on MC Google Docs. Remember that you can access MC Google Docs from under the quick links on any of the school pages or the district page. Once you click on MC Google Docs, you sign in, and at the very top, you want to click on the calendar section. The calendar section opens up. I always choose to preview by month instead of the day and week so I can see the month. Now, under this calendar, you might have just your single calendar here where it has your username at manheimcentral.net. All right, you can add a new calendar by clicking on Add, give it a calendar name, a calendar description if you want, and then click on Create Calendar. When you do that, you'll see a list of the calendars that are underneath your My Calendars page. So you see on mine, I have a lot of different calendars here that I help access and manage. So right now here, I unclicked on everything so that only the calendar shows up that I just went into, which is test. I can add something on this calendar by clicking on the 17th here, and I can add a title here, no homework for example. I then want to make sure which calendar is it going to get posted to, and I would choose the test calendar that I just created, or I can uncheck all day and put in a particular time if I want there. But then when I click save, I'll notice now that no homework is posted under the test. Alright, so this is an example of my World Languages Department calendar for the sign out of our labs and our equipment that we have in the World Languages Department. Now what I want to do is if I set this calendar up, I want to embed this in a post or a page. In order to do that, I'm going to click on the calendar that I want and the arrow that's right beside it. I'm going to come up to where it says Calendar Settings. I'm going to click on that. Here's my calendar name. I can change that if I want. Here's my description. Again, I can change that if I want. I can make sure that my country is United States and make sure I have the right time zone in there. And now when I scroll down, here's where I can embed the calendar. Now notice I can customize the color and size. So I'm going to customize, and I can check what I want to show. I can make it the pixels that I want. So right now I think I'm going to just change it to be 400 by 400, and it'll show me then what that looks like. And I think that I want to move that width to 500. I'll do that for now, but again it could change. Now after I have it set that way, I can change what I want the background color to be, whatever option I want. But here's the code. Alright, so I can click Update HTML, so it's all updated. Now I copy all of that code that's in there.